Hello, future teachers! Are you dreaming of becoming a teacher in Australia? We're here to share an exciting pathway to make that happen.
Yes, if you're passionate about working with young children, the Graduate Diploma in Early Childhood is one of the simplest, most affordable ways to start your teaching career in Australia. Let's talk about cost. A Master of Teaching takes 2 years to complete, while the Graduate Diploma in Early Childhood is only 1 year, meaning lower tuition fees and less time to finish.
Another advantage, with a graduate diploma, there's no IELTS required at the end of the program. But for a Master of Teaching, you would need a 7.5 on the academic IELTS, which might be a challenge for some applicants.
Kung pipiliin mo ang Master of Teaching, mayroong dalawang pagsusulit na kailangan mong ipasa, isa na may numero at isa na may literatura. Para dito, meron ka lamang 3 pagkakataon. Kung hindi mo maipasa ang pagsusulit sa kasamaang palad, hindi ka magiging guro sa Australia. Bagaman ang Graduate Diploma in Early Childhood ay hindi direktang nagbibigay ng pagkakataon para sa 485 visa, magbibigay ito ng posibilidad na makakuha ng permanenteng residency. Narito kami bilang First One Education Migration upang magbigay ng kinakailangang suporta, upang matulungan ka sa paksang ito. Sa tulong at gabay ng aming mga eksperto, maaari mong muling itayo ang iyong karera sa pagtuturo, ay maaari mong gawing permanenteng tahanan ng Australia.
With First One Education Migration, you're not just planning your studies, you're planning a future in Australia, with our migration experts supporting you each step of the way.
So, aspiring teachers, the Graduate Diploma in Early Childhood is your affordable and flexible path to teaching in Australia. Let's make your teaching dreams a reality.
Kung handa ka na para sa iyong career journey sa Australia at sa mga pamumuhunan para sa iyong hinaharap, nandito kami sa First One Education Migration. Para sa higit pang detalye at impormasyon, maaari kang makipag-ugnayan sa aming team ng mga eksperto